In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add CTA buttons to a section in Shopify, specifically using the Dawn theme. Whether you're just starting out with Shopify or looking to enhance your online store's functionality, understanding how to effectively use call-to-action buttons is crucial. So, let's dive in and explore how you can make these simple yet impactful additions to your site. To begin, we need to access the site editor. Once you have your Shopify dashboard open in front of you, locate the theme you are working on. Here, it's the Dawn theme. Now, let's head straight into the site editor. When you open it up, you should see your image banner displayed. This is typically a key visual component of your online store, grabbing attention as soon as a visitor lands on your page. Moving over to the right side of your screen, you'll notice a navigation panel. This panel is your control center for making changes to your site's layout and features. Look for and click on the Buttons option within this panel. This will bring up the button properties on the right side, where you can edit existing buttons or add new ones. This flexibility is important because it allows you to tailor the buttons to your brand's voice and functionality needs. If you want to add a new button, simply go to the space provided to name your button. Once you input the name, it will instantly appear on your site, seamlessly integrating with your existing design. This immediate visibility is great as it lets you see in real time how the button looks and feels with your site's aesthetics. After naming your button, you'll need to decide where it will redirect users. This could be a specific product page, a collection, or any other section of your site that you want to highlight. Ensure that you link it to a place that drives your business goals, whether it's increasing sales, enhancing engagement, or providing key information. It's important to note that the process of adding buttons can vary depending on the theme you've chosen. Different sections within the site may already come with buttons, meaning they inherently support such features. The Dawn theme offers a straightforward process, but remember, some themes might have limitations that affect how you can customize your layout. To find the perfect balance of design and functionality that suits your needs, choose your theme thoughtfully. Opt for one that allows you to maintain your brand's identity while also providing the functional elements you need to thrive in your online business. And there you have it. You've successfully added call-to-action buttons to your banner and learned a bit about how themes can impact your design choices. Thanks for watching, and happy selling!